All right, y'all, we back at it. Found the carburetor. Let's see. Let's see what we got, y'all. All right. Found the carburetor. Stole it off the Grinch real quick. Just try to get this thing fired up. If it'll fire. Like I said, it's been a long time. Y'all see how my stuff be though. Majority of them, I put enough, put a hot battery and some gas in it. Trying to get y'all set up. Hot battery and some gas. They usually go. Sitting for 10 years. Or whatever it said on them tags. I know y'all seen what it said on the tags. Yeah, I guess I have to go check out the short for that one, I think. Let's see. Throttle. Looks like we're gonna need a spring. Spring, a little fill line. What we got here? Okay, this is vacuum straight off of the intake manifold on this one. Let's see. A little nut should be down here. There's one. One of them puppies. There's another one. I don't see the washer for this one. That's alright. Ain't gotta be nothing spectacular. That one look a little small. That one didn't fit right, y'all. Could be just because it got hella shit stuck off in it. Let's try this one. Okay, there we go. That one's a little smoother. Yeah, one on the back, perfect. Another one off inside the rat turds. That's what happens when you live out in the country. Alright, let's see what we got here. I hope the damn starter ain't froze up on it. I hope the motor ain't froze. Hell with the starter. It shouldn't be though, man. I had the carburetor covered up on it. There was a lot of rat turds off in the intake though. That ain't nothing. That shit'll burn right off. Oh, I'm going to get a longer socket. Back all the way up to the damn shop for a deep socket. That's why I brought the old trusty crescent wrench. Crescent wrench it is, y'all. I can at least get these ones down a little bit. Alright, as far as that one's gonna go, crescent wrench time. why you guys always keep a crisp wrench off in your little traveling box. That's what I call them when I'm moving around the yard. I go to my big rollaway and grab me a little bit of this, a little bit of that out of there. It's always good to have a little flathead screwdriver, Phillips, crescent, pair of pliers. Okay. The other side's fine. It ain't for just but to fire it up. All right. So fill line. Let you guys check out what we got going on here. So it looks like I done stole the fill line off for something else. I'm still having not to go down here, disconnect it from the tank line, because I don't want to pull up no junk if there's junk inside that tank. And then I'll just put a little gas can underneath there just to fire it up and get it here to run. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's the ground, I believe. Yeah. Here's the hot. Ain't no color coding around here. Black and black. You better just look what you hooking up, Jack. Okay, so I got those. Alright, let's see. Carburetor on. So I need a fill line. Shit. Maybe I'll just plug this one off. Maybe this is long enough for a fill line. I'll just plug that one. Yeah, we're about 3 inches too short for that thing. Alright, put that there. Alright, back to the drawing board, y'all. So I need a fill line, some gas, a little gas tank. Alright, I think that's about it. Y'all check back in with me, see what we're working on, y'all. I'll show y'all real quick. 68 GMC long bed, about to get pulled out the damn dirt. Thank you guys for tapping in the video, man. Greatly appreciate everybody taps in my videos, man. Even if you don't like it, it don't matter to me. I'm just doing it for a hobby. I'm bored. Thank you guys very much, though. 100.